So what I'm showing here is a website called JSFiddle.net, and JSFiddle.net is basically a full-featured IDE for JavaScript and jQuery and basically all offshoots of JavaScript. And what you'll see here is it supports a lot of frameworks, whether it's MooTools, jQuery, Prototype, UE, Dojo, and Knockout. Basically it's a scratch pad for doing some JavaScript and also kind of doing collaboration with JavaScript. So what I'm going to demo here is basically the IDE itself. So you'll see in this top left hand panel here, there's the HTML. In this right hand panel here, there's the style sheet or CSS, and in the bottom panel here, there's the JavaScript. And combining the three, when you hit run, will generate the results in this pane. So what I'm going to do is, I actually had a question I was answering on Stack Overflow, which is, how do you enable a button after all of the text boxes has been kind of filled in and is not empty? So let me demo that here, where I'm using jQuery, and I'm going to put basically the 5 text boxes just so it covers a full range of kind of the possibilities. And I'm going to click run, and when I click run, you'll notice in this results pane it shows up as 5 text boxes, exactly the HTML that I've written here. Now I am missing a style sheet, so I'm going to put that in where I have a style here. And you'll notice nothing happened because I'm kind of just typing. So you do have to hit run to update, and you'll notice the style sheet for this first button now becomes yellow, which is what I specified here in the style sheet pane. So let me go ahead and write some code. And I have some code prepared here where basically I'm attaching the key up function to all of the text boxes, and this is jQuery, so I had to select my jQuery. It's sort of like an include file, and I'm doing it on load where I'm executing this JavaScript, which is the ready function of jQuery. So I'm going to hit run, and you'll notice, let me test it out. I'm going to type some stuff in, and you'll notice after I filled out everything, this commit box actually became enabled. Now if I back up, you'll notice it's disabled and I can't click on it. So only things that are filled in can indeed enable this button. So that's the purpose of this demo here, is just showing you all the little features. So it is a full-fledged IDE, and it's great for collaboration. For example, if I hit save, it'll actually save a version of this, and you'll notice it's some random URL, and this URL becomes public. Everything on JSFiddle is public. So actually, before I kind of go any further, let me show you some of this feature here. So it also gives you coding hints. So for example, I'm going to do something wrong here, and I'm going to click JS hint, and you'll notice it has this red dot here, and it'll tell me the expression isn't really what it should be. So let me put that there and click JS hint, and that's still there. Why is it still there? Because it tells me the triple comparison is actually better for comparing with zeros and more efficient. So if I click JS hint, everything disappears and it tells me my JavaScript code is perfectly valid. Okay, so it does have those little features, and it actually even has version control. So if I changed, say, I got rid of this comment and I clicked update, you'll notice now this is version 1 in the URL. Now if I put back the comments and I do another update, you'll notice that becomes version 2. And I could traverse every version just by typing in the URL. Now if I wanted to kind of do another version of this, I could fork it, which basically means it's branching and it's going to have 2 versions, the old version and the new version, so it's going to give you a new URL. So that's how JSFiddle works. And there's other features such as giving it a title and all of that, but for the most part, you know, that's JSFiddle in a nutshell. Thank you for watching.